This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. All right, lastly, we got a couple minutes left. Irfan, pull up I sent you in Telegram too. Let's do one at a time though. Share your screen and let's show the first one. I was digging through because I'm now on my Vegas computer and updating stuff. I happen to be looking at my main AutoHotkey script, and I saw a couple lines where I'm like, hey, let's at least show a little bit of AutoHotkey code. And one of them is just it's so crazy powerful. The when active one, Irfan.
Yeah, wins that always on top.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me create a line here. Sorry, new script here, test.ahk, and I paste here. So this is very powerful command.
It's crazy powerful. Yeah.
So Windows+A would
Zoom in.
set anything always on top, and
Zoom in.
if I use 1 here, so it will be true. So I will set it, and if I use false here, it will make it false. But -1 means I need to toggle. If it is always on top, it will make it not always on top, and if it is not always on top, it will make it always on top. So let me just run it, and for example, this. Okay, so this is not always on top, so I do Windows+A. Okay, because this is admin level, that's why it is not working.
Yeah, I'd pick like Notepad or something.
Yeah, let me see Notepad.
But you can take almost any program and very quickly make it always on top.
So this is always on top, and I can do Windows+A again, and now it is not top
Yeah.
anymore.
I
can
couldn't
make
remember where I had that file, that line of code. It was in my main script because I knew I had the functionality, but it was so small I couldn't remember where I had it. So
So
that's
what we can do here, we can set unset title, but that will take few more codes.
what do you mean?
So what we can do, we can change the title of the
You bind
window.
it to a given window, is what you're
Yeah,
saying?
no, we can just give it. So for example, here it will say docs always on top, like that. I had that kind of a script a long ago. Let me see if I have it.
Yeah, but what you're just saying binding it to a certain window is what you're saying.
Not binding. So
You're,
we would
you're
know.
interpreting
So
binding as a function.
right now, if I make this always on top, I do not know it is set to always on top. But if we add text here that
Oh,
we did a toggle, then we would
all
know.
right. Now I get your point. Thank you. So you can add text to the window to let you inform you that it's currently set to always be on top and remind you.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's a good idea. Well, AI would probably solve that in a second. We got 3 minutes left though. Let's look at the other one,
Okay.
which is a dumb one. Now you disagreed with this, and we can test it both ways.
Yeah. So this is the Windows+E. So whenever I do Windows+E, I need Explorer to open, but it is not
Duplicate
running
it,
right now. If I do,
duplicate it,
okay.
and then create one your way and have like Windows F and one Windows E.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I run this and I do Windows+E, it open with the S folder, and then if I do Windows F, it open into the S folder as well. So E and F doing the same thing, but I see F is faster than E. I don't know if you notice that key took time.
There's a lag. I can't really tell.
And there's
Give me a
F.
subfolder. Give them both like AI for the subfolder.
Oh, so if S folder is there, it will not open it again. It will just activate it.
Huh. Well, that's because yeah, you're not telling it to run it. I think mine will run it, launch it no matter what.
Yeah, yeah. Your way is
It's just,
always.
it's different. Yeah, it's fine. But
So if I minimize this, if I do Windows F, it will just activate it.
yeah,
Unless I change the location and do F, then it will open the new one.
and the point of giving it the drive instead of saying, Windows E will open Explorer, you can set the focus, right? Like that's what I like about this is I have it with Windows E that I go to the extra because that's where I'm almost always working from. So why have to go find that drive when I launch Explorer?
Yes.
Yeah, or a subfolder or whatever you want, right? But it's a nice, simple way to focus where the folder opens when you launch Explorer. And surprisingly, the Windows E, there's a lot of hotkeys with the Windows key that are lower level and you can't interfere with or intercept them and put yours in. But I was really surprised. Windows E has always been, you can overwrite the Windows E. Windows E default opens Explorer, but I've hijacked it to say, we'll do this instead. Members get unlimited access to 466 plus hours of video lessons, packed with AHK insights to binge learn whenever inspiration hits. Get insider savings, 25% off courses, scripts, and done-for-you AHK jobs, making premium tools affordable and accessible.